In this video, I'll show you how to flip individual letters in Canva. Let's begin. Open Canva and go to your project. Click the Text tab and add a text box. Type the letter you want to flip. Adjust the font, size, and color to your preference. Click the Share button in the top left corner. Select Download, choose PNG as the file type, and enable transparent background. Click Download. Then drag and drop it back into Page. Delete the original text layer. Adjust the uploaded letter image size to match your page. Select the letter image, click the Flip button in the top toolbar. Choose Flip horizontally or Flip vertically to adjust the orientation. And that's it. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.